You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome to your go-to resource for everything related to international moving. Whether you're relocating from Los Angeles or San Francisco, all the way to Spain, the UK, or maybe even Portugal, we're here to make your transition as smooth as possible. And today, we're diving into a really important topic: international moving insurance. Relocating internationally is a thrilling adventure. Whether you're starting a new business, or maybe you're reconnecting with your family, you could be retiring, or maybe you're looking for a better climate. Whatever the reason, moving your entire household overseas involves meticulous planning and organization. And that's where SDC International Shipping comes in, providing reliable international moving services to make your journey stress-free. One crucial aspect of your move that you can't overlook is international moving insurance. You probably already invested considerable time into preparing for your move, and you know the importance of protecting your belongings. But today, we're going to guide you through the different insurance options and help you make an informed decision. Let's start with the basics. The international shipping industry is highly automated and advanced. Massive ships, some carrying up to 35,000 containers per voyage, operate with minimal crew. Now, despite this efficiency, things can occasionally go wrong. Containers might get lost or damaged due to mechanical failures, labor disputes, or even falling overboard. That's why having the right insurance is so important. SDC International Shipping offers two main types of insurance: total loss insurance and all-risk cargo insurance. First, let's talk about total loss insurance. This type of coverage protects you if your entire shipment is lost or destroyed. For instance, if a stack of containers collapses, your belongings will be covered for their declared value. It's essential to provide a detailed list of insured items, especially for valuable possessions. You may need to include sales receipts or valuations for high-value items. Next, we have all-risk cargo insurance. This comprehensive coverage protects your shipment against both total loss and partial damage. Whether you're sending a full container or sharing space with other shipments, your belongings will be handled multiple times, and that increases the risk of damage. All-risk cargo insurance covers individual damaged items and not just the entire shipment. To qualify for all-risk cargo insurance, professional packers must prepare your shipment. This ensures your items are adequately protected. If you prefer to pack your belongings yourself, you can still purchase total loss insurance. Vehicles like cars, motorcycles, RVs, and boats also need insurance. Whether you're shipping a vehicle in a container or using the roll-on, roll-off method, ensure your vehicle is properly insured. Let's talk about the importance of global insurance policies. You might be familiar with American insurance policies, which are governed by state laws. However, for international shipments, you need truly global policies. The insurance should cover your belongings from door to door, protecting them against loss, damage, and weather conditions throughout the entire journey. When filling out your insurance forms, remember to consider the replacement costs in your destination country, which might be higher than in the United States. Valid international moving insurance will provide comprehensive coverage and peace of mind. We really hope that you'll never need to activate your insurance policy. However, in the rare event that something does go wrong, having the best coverage available will make all the difference. At SDC International Shipping, we are committed to providing you with reliable, professional moving services and ensure the safe arrival of your belongings. Are you ready to get started? Contact us today to speak with a relocation specialist and get an estimate for your move. Visit our website or call our toll-free number to learn more about our comprehensive international moving services. Thank you for joining us today, and stay tuned for more episodes where we're going to help you navigate the exciting journey of international relocation. Safe travels.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.